For this video, we are going to discuss Article 161 of the Revised Penal Code, which refers to the crimes of counterfeiting the Great Seal of the Government of the Philippines, forging the signature of the Chief Executive, and also forging the stamp of the Chief Executive. This is actually the first article under Title 4. I am referring to the crimes against public interest. Article 161. The penalty of reclusion temporal shall be imposed upon any person who shall forge the Great Seal of the Government of the Philippine Islands or the signature or stamp of the Chief Executive. There are three punishable acts under this article. The first punishable act is forging the Great Seal of the Government of the Philippines. Second punishable act is forging the signature of the President. And the third punishable act is forging the stamp of the President. What you are seeing now is a replica of the Great Seal of the Republic of the Philippines. And as provided for in sections 41 and 42 of Republic Act 8491, otherwise known as the Flag and Heraldic Code of the Philippines, what you can see in this seal is our national coat of arms. You can see there the three golden stars, which are equidistant from each other. You can also see there the yellow sun with its 8 minor and lesser rays. And below it, on the left side, you can see the American eagle, the symbol rather of the American eagle and the symbol of the Lion of Spain. And in between the inner and outer circles appear the words Republika ng Pilipinas, and written also in between the inner and outer circles at the bottom portion of the Great Seal is our national motto: Makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan at makabansa. On the other hand, what you are seeing now is the seal or stamp of the President of the Philippines. And under Section 1B of Executive Order Number 310, Series of 2004, the seal of the President of the Philippines consists of the coat of arms of the President, and there is a white circle around this coat of arms enclosed by two golden yellow marginal rings. The white circle contains the words Sagisag ng Pangulo ng Pilipinas in black letters located on the upper arc, while in the lower arc you can see there the three five-pointed golden yellow stars. Question: how shall the Great Seal be used? Under Section 43 of Republic Act 8491, the Great Seal shall be affixed to or placed upon all commissions signed by the President, and upon such other official documents and papers of the Republic of the Philippines as may be provided by law, or as may be required by custom and usage. It is the President who shall have custody of the Great Seal. Now, what is the declaration of policy with respect to the Great Seal? Under Section 2 of the same law, it states, and I quote, "Reverence and respect shall at all times be accorded the flag, the anthem, and other national symbols like the Great Seal, which embody the national ideals and traditions and which express the principles of sovereignty and national solidarity. The heraldic items and devices shall seek to manifest the national virtues and to inculcate in the minds and hearts of our people a just pride in their native land, fitting respect and affection for the national flag and anthem, and the proper use of the national motto, coat of arms, and other heraldic items and devices. So in essence, the purpose there is to promote nationalism and love of country. What about the seal or the stamp of the President of the Philippines? Under Executive Order number 310, the design and use of the seal of the President had long been established by Executive Order number 38, dated January 7, 1947. And lately, under Executive Order number 19, dated August 27, 1998, in order to provide a symbol appropriate for the dignity and history of the presidency of the country. Such symbol is exclusively meant for the use of the President of the Philippines. No other public official can use the seal or the stamp of the President, but the President only. The Vice President has his or her own stamp or seal also. It is in the national interest to promulgate regulations that enhance the effective use of these symbols and the proper respect due the same. Now, let's now go to Article 61, the act of forging the Great Seal of the government, or forging the signature or forging the stamp of the President. Take note that when in a government document the signature of the President is forged, it is not called falsification, because in general, whenever a signature is imitated by another person or a handwriting is imitated by another person, it is called falsification. But if it is the signature of the President that is forged or falsified, it is given a special name in Article 161. That is, forging the signature of the Chief Executive. Now, what is penalized in Article 161 for the three punishable acts is the counterfeiting or imitation of the Great Seal of the government or the signature or stamp of the President on what is made to appear as an official document of the Republic of the Philippines. The mere act of forging, therefore, is not punishable. Of course, the Great Seal of the national government or of the Republic of the Philippines can also be counterfeited or imitated on another medium, not just on paper. But in essence, in order for these acts of forging, whether the Great Seal, the stamp, or the signature of the President, the criminal intent of the offender here is to forge the seal, the stamp, or the signature to make it appear as an official document or as an official act or undertaking of the government. And with respect to forging the signature of the President, if a person forges the signature of the President on a document that is not made to appear as an official document, like for example in a promissory note, which is a commercial document, then the crime becomes falsification under Article 171 or 172, no longer forging the signature of the Chief Executive under Article 161. In other words, you will only call the crime forging the signature of the Chief Executive when it is made to appear in a document purporting to be an official document of the Republic of the Philippines. If made in a private document or in a commercial document or in any other document which is not an official document, then it is no longer forging under Article 161 but falsification.